Like most bath bomb molds, a metal bath bomb mold produces bowl-shaped bath bombs. These are usually made from either stainless steel or aluminum, and they typically come in two pieces. Bath bomb makers pack each half of a mold with the bath bomb mix and press them together for a few minutes. The major advantage of metal molds is that they are very durable and will virtually never crack or break. A plastic bath bomb mold, on the other hand, is more likely to break than a metal mold. This type of mold, however, is generally less expensive. If you have a limited budget, you may want to consider investing in plastic molds. Bath bomb molds also come in a wide range of sizes. Some of these molds can make small bath bombs the size of golf balls, while others may make them as large as softballs. You should be careful when using a large bath bomb molds, however, since large bath bombs do not stay together as well as small ones. It can be a time-consuming process to make several bath bombs with one single bath bomb mold, though. If you have an established bath bomb making business, you may want to consider investing in a bath bomb press. You can shape several perfect bath bombs in minutes with these devices simply by pulling a lever. They can be rather expensive though, and one of these machines may be a waste of money if you are only making bath bombs as a hobby. A bath bomb mold is not necessary for making bath bombs because you can mold these balls with your hands if necessary. You can also use a ball-shaped plastic Christmas tree ornament that comes apart. Candy or soap molds also can be used. Large and small muffin tins as well as ice cube trays can be used to make small flat bath bombs, sometimes referred to as bath bomb tablets.